Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we explore the world of automobiles and motorhomes that define luxury, performance, and innovation. Today, we dive into the exceptional 2026 Mercedes Maybach, a stunning blend of ultra-luxury and high-tech engineering that transforms the way we experience life on the road. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach sets a new benchmark in the premium RV category. Known globally for unmatched elegance and innovation, Maybach takes its signature opulence and stretches it into a full-size mobile palace. The exterior design features an elegant and aerodynamic silhouette wrapped in a high-gloss metallic finish, chrome accents, Maybach badging, digital LED headlights, and retractable steps signal its premium status from every angle. It rides on massive 22-inch wheels and is supported by Mercedes adaptive air suspension for unmatched ride quality and stability. Powering this luxury motorhome is a refined V8 plug-in hybrid powertrain that produces over 600 horsepower. The combination of electric drive and combustion ensures a smooth and silent city cruise while offering extended range and highway power when needed. This motorhome can switch between driving modes to prioritize comfort, efficiency, or performance, with seamless transitions between power sources. The drive is always smooth and commanding. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of elegance. The cabin is dressed in top-tier materials, including Napa leather, handcrafted wood inlays, and Maybach-specific diamond quilted upholstery. Ambient lighting offers 64 customizable colors, while the panoramic roof opens up to sky views that elevate every journey. A lounge area features fully reclining massage seats with built-in footrests, personal infotainment screens, and folding tray tables. A 55-inch UHD display with 3D audio system delivers cinematic entertainment. The kitchen is fully equipped with a smart induction cooktop, convection microwave, intelligent storage, and a wine cooler. The bathroom features marble-textured walls, touchless water systems, and a rain-style shower with luxury spa features. The bedroom includes a queen-sized memory foam bed with climate control, built-in fragrance, diffuse, and smart curtains for complete rest and relaxation. Every element of this interior is designed to deliver comfort that rivals five-star hotels. Technology is seamlessly integrated with the MBUX system, AI-based voice control, wireless device charging, facial recognition entry, and a fully autonomous driving option for highway cruising. Safety is ensured with a full suite of Mercedes intelligent driving features, including lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system, automatic braking, and night vision detection. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach is more than just a travel vehicle. It's a mobile expression of style, sophistication, and futuristic living. Whether you are on a road trip across countries or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome turns every journey into a luxurious escape. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more premium motorhome content. This is Auto Review Pro, your destination for luxury vehicles and expert insights.